Hey dudes and chicks and neither filters don't apply to you. Welcome to Break Frost Time. My name is Katie. Today, I'm finally going to be around with this palette. This is the Flutter by Ensley Reign. The color story looks like this. I mean, it's kind of old news at this point. Ensley Reign has actually launched several things since then, and I used it when I felt like using it. So this is what it looks like. It went with the Flourish palette. It was like an entire collection. It wasn't that I wasn't super excited about it. It's just that when I looked at the two palettes, I looked at Flourish and like immediately came up with a look, and this one was kind of puzzling to me. As you guys know, these like more greenish, yellowy, kind of grungy colors are a little bit less my style for the most part. And so I actually kind of talk about that in the video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, or hearing my final thoughts on the palette, which are actually gonna fucking surprise you, or if you just like to watch, then hang out. I am going to start with just a big brush, like right off the bat, and I'm going to go into Magic Moss, and I'm going to start there and see how I feel about it. Oh, my primer's not quite dry, but I'm just going for a wash. That is a really cool color. It's a lot greener than it looks. I'm already loving this. You know, when you have a nice brush and you're using a nice brush to do your makeup, it makes it so much more of a pleasurable experience, like right out the gate. I got work brushes that like do the work, and then I've got like these like fluffy beauties like this Fantasy Cosmetica brush that like, it was really the brushes that kind of, I mean, I loved the color story of that dragon palette, and also the brushes like sealed the deal. They're just so pretty, and they've got like dragons on them. They're fucking badass. And they're super soft. God, I need to tweeze my eyebrows. I was gonna do it before I filmed this video and then I forgot. I've been doing a lot of like experimenting with lighting and camera angles and just like screwing around, and I had to get my camera all reset up to do this video, so I kind of forgot to do the basics. Dang, that is really pretty, and I wish I had some more of that brush. So I guess I'm going to use this Singe Beauty brush, and I'm going to go into Serenity, and I'm going to use that to blend this out. Now, I don't remember if this was a spring launch or a fall launch. Oh man, that's super cute. And these shadows are really pigmented. They're really laying on even with these like fluffy brushes. Now I'm going back into the yellow. Just gonna dinge this up a little. What am I gonna do? I've had difficulty trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this color story for obvious reasons. Are they obvious? Sorry, I hate it when people say things are obvious when you're like completely in the dark, and then you're like, so what are you saying, that I'm a dumb fuck? I've had difficulty figuring out what I was gonna do with this palette because there's an orange and a purple and a green. I think I'm gonna use every color except the purple. I'm gonna go into Orchard Orange, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. I feel like my brush is wet. That looks cute. Looks really cute going into that green like that. Dang, that's adorable. And I'm going in with my little tiny Made by Mitchell brush, and I'm going to go into Echo. I'm going to keep this kind of back. And now I'm just going back into those colors. I'm going to just really go right over the top of this gray with that yellow. Because I don't really want it to be gray per se. I want it to look a little bit more, you know, wintry. Like I said, I don't remember if this was the spring launch or the fall launch. I guess the Underland palette was the fall launch, I'd say. I have no idea. I think this gray is actually like a greenish gray. God, I love this brush. I don't even think they make this brush anymore. Made by Mitchell. That looks awesome. All right, I'll do it. I'm gonna use this other Fantasy Cosmetica brush and I'm gonna go into Wisp. And I'm not going out to the outer V. I'm just gonna get this color like in here. Then I'm gonna use this other flat Singe Beauty brush and I'm gonna go into Flicker. Not loving this really. Kind of just went everywhere with this. This is a super bright gray though. And I actually hate that. Just wanted to try something. Every hit can't be a home run. Damn it. Shit. Dang it. Top looked so cute. Damn it. I'm just gonna go back in really quickly, reinforce these colors on the top. Super bummed out about this. What can I do to fix this? I think I'm going to use a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go back into Wisp, that purple color, and kind of just go harder with it. Because I think it'll look cuter if it's more purpley. Yeah, that looks much cuter. This is a really cool purple too. God, I look like I'm about 100 years old. I got so much fucking shadow right there. Shit. Well, it looks good though. Much better. I feel like the color is fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. This green is really cute. And now I'm just gonna reinforce the orange. I feel like the shadows in this palette are a little more like, I don't know, powdery, because they sure are making me look old, but it's probably just me. Man, I'm really glad I... Yeah, I like that now. Cute. One more little go. On the outer V here. Yeah, that is definitely like a greeny gray. I feel like Ensley Reign really knows how to do a gray. Damn, this is literally the only fucking... No brush compares to this brush for doing what I'm doing right now. This is the only brush. There is no competitor. next things next. There are so many badass shimmers in this palette. It's really hard to choose. And I'll tell you this pink right here is really fucking cute, but it's kind of an outlier. It doesn't really, it's like a pink to green shift, like no doubt. It's badass, but well, just what I said, it doesn't really match the color scheme. I mean, it could, it just doesn't. So I'm going to use God, they're all so fucking cool, man. Ooh. Dang. These are all like shocking. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna use my NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm gonna use a flat shadow brush and I'm gonna go into Moonflower. Ooh, that's fucking badass. Right now, like I see like a green to like red shift. Now I'm gonna go into Golden Hour and this one's gonna be mind blowing, I'm sure, which that last one was pretty fucking surprising. Damn, I can't even see it yet and I'm already like, what the fuck? Yeah, this is a green to orange. Fuck, man. Wow. Dude, that's fucking cute shit. Man. That's a good fucking time right there. And now I'm just going back into that. Fuck, man. Holy shit. Fuck. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. Kidding. I guess I'm just going to keep using Fantasy Cosmetica brushes. I'm going to go into the color Sylph, and I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. Wrong brush. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, here's a really good one. I'm gonna use this Blend Bunny pencil brush. Oh yeah, that fucking. Now this had to have been the spring launch. It's too good to have been the fall launch. Just joking. And now I'm gonna go into Mystic Meadow, which seems a little dark. Oh yeah, it's that fucking green. Oh, it shifts from purple, like a bluey purple, to a green, so it's gonna work. Oh yeah, that's super bright. It looks a little like it's gonna be dark. It's not. Dang, don't regret that decision. I almost used the pink pixie one because I can see now it would have totally worked. I don't even need to spray it. Fuck my under eye up though, I'll tell you. Shoot. Alright, I'm just gonna go into that color Golden Hour. Man, this is a really fucking cool look. It's awesome. I'm sorry, I can't stop. I'm like, I just want to keep. Yeah, this color story is really cohesive through the shimmers. Like, it all just really came together. So I feel like that's the look, bitch. Literally do not need to keep doing this, but I just keep doing it anyways. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. I do have the Flutter Lippies and the Flutter Moon Dust, so I might do something with those. I also have the Flutter blushes, but I didn't want to use the matte blushes because I'll probably just end up giving them away, so I haven't even used them. Anyway, I'll be back. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Kiss eye wigs, my Evocative in Pissy Persimmon, my multi-chrome cream gel liner in Pixie by ColourPop, my Notoriously Morbid metallic Mystic Metallic in Never Trust the Living, and then I use this Moonlit Garden Moon Duster as my highlighter, and these are fierce, so if you're going to use these as a highlighter, they work really good. They go on the skin really like smoothly, but they are fierce, and so you need to fucking check yourself, dude. Okay, so I used this color and it was just a little dull. So I used this color at first and it is like ultraviolet bright purple. Now, did it just become my new favorite purple lip gloss? Abso-fucking-lutely. And it was just a little bit too bright. So I went in with this and it just looked a little bit too dull. So I kind of just put a couple drops of this over the top and you can see it's like super like fluorescent. It's like fluorescent lavender, like fluorescent cool tone purple. So I think it made it turn out just perfectly. Everything looks great. I actually just fell in love with this. I mean, I can't believe it took me this long, but honestly, like things have been crazy for me, but also like the color story was like kind of puzzling to me. And now I'm like, what the fuck took me so long? Cause it is like so pretty. And honestly, I didn't even really like the color combination that I chose and it still turned out fucking pretty. It wouldn't have mattered what I would have done. So that's kind of the thing that I just figured out is like, it wouldn't have mattered what look I would have chosen with this. It would have looked amazing no matter what. So like, you could use any of these colors together or separately or like one color and deepen up or like do whatever. And you throw a shimmer on there, it's not going to fucking matter what colors you used because this looks amazing and I didn't even mean it. It was a total fucking accident that this looks so great. It has nothing to do with me. It's literally like one of those times where like people are like, oh my God, this looks so great. And I always say like, it was the palette. Like, this really was a fucking palette because like I didn't even mean to do this. Like, oops, I look amazing. That's all there is. I'm really grateful that I used it. Sorry I'm late. I mean, not sorry. I used it when I felt like it. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boy's charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you got like halfway through this video and you're like, oh my God, she is so pretty till she opens her big fucking mouth, then go check me out on Instagram. I don't talk as much on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your time with me and I totally appreciate you. Later. Slayer.